Today's notes are on finding the surface area of a triangular prism. Yesterday we talked about finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. So today's notes are going to be on a triangular prism. A triangular prism is named for its base. So that means the base of the triangle or the base of the prism is a triangle. Okay, so that's the base. And just like with the rectangular prism, we could draw a net for this particular prism, or we can just look at the individual solid and find the surface area. So that's what we're going to do today. Remember, surface area is the sum of the area of all the faces of a prism. We know that the formula for the area of a triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. So let's number our sides of the triangle or triangular prism. All right, so number 1 and number 2 are going to be our base, which are the triangles. All right, so let's look at a triangle. So we have a 12 by 5 triangle, which means we have to divide by 2. Number 2 is opposite, and opposite sides are equal. So the same, 12 times 5 divided by 2. So we get 30 centimeters squared and 30 centimeters squared. Now let's look at the rectangles that make up our triangular prism. All right, so let's look at this top one first. This top rectangle measures 13 by 2, which gives us 26 square centimeters. Number 4, let's say it's this one in the back. All right, number 4 is 5 times 2, which is 10 square centimeters. And then finally, let's look at the bottom. And our bottom measures 12 by 2, which is 24 square centimeters. And we said surface area is the sum of all of the faces. So now let's find the sum of these measurements. So we have 30 plus 30 plus 26 plus 10 plus 24, which gives us a total of 120 centimeters squared. So this is how you find the surface area of a triangular prism. You find the area of each face. You remember that you need to divide the triangles by 2. So you need to multiply, then divide the triangles by 2. Sides 3, 4, and 5 are rectangles, so we use the formula length times width to find the area of those. Then we add up all the sides to get our surface area. Those are your notes.